Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Hello Twisters, how is it going? We are going to make a quick bread today, and we're going to make a zucchini bread. I just want to let you know that on our website, Shelly's Cuisine, we have a lot of quick breads. We have savory quick bread, which is what we're going to make today, and we have sweet. Example of sweet is our banana bread. Savory is the zucchini bread or our cheddar bacon bread. So, Shelly's Cuisine will be coming out with a blog on Let's Talk Quick Bread. And look forward to seeing that and finding out what different kinds of quick bread recipes we have on Shelly's Cuisine. Okay, we're going to get started. And so, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour here. And we're just going to jump into it. And so we have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. And we have 1/2 teaspoon, that's why I got my teaspoons mixed up, of baking soda. Before we had baking powder. Okay. And then we have our zucchini. We have shredded the zucchini. Just cheap. Do it in the food processor. Okay, so we're going to put that in. 1/2 cup of tomatoes, diced. 1/2 cup of scallions, cut small. 1/2 cup of basil leaves, so they're chopped. So they don't look like 1/2 cup, but it is 1/2 cup. So 1/2 cup of basil leaves, and then mince them fine. We have 1/2 cup of cheese. You could use Asiago, Fontina, or sharp cheddar. I've used sharp cheddar here. You could use white or you could use yellow. Okay? So, basically, we are just going to mix these. Get our ingredients mixed up. You know, guys, it's really easy if you get all of the ingredients first before you start, and you can go on the website. The recipe will be there. You could use your phone. You could print it. Just get all of the ingredients out, just like what I do. All right. We need 1 cup of buttermilk. Okay. And we will be folding this. Okay. We have 2 eggs. Don't forget to take the eye out of the egg. Okay, 2 eggs. We have 3 tablespoons of oil. And I didn't say olive oil. Okay, and so 1 last ingredient. We need 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, or you could use red wine vinegar. I guess that's to just give it a little tang. That's that. And so we're just going to mix. So to fold, we're going to just bring it and fold it. And so this is going to be a very thick, moist batter. It's going to be good with all these herbs. Stuff that we have in here. I guess putting it on this is not the best. So just want to fold until we incorporate all of the moisture and we don't have the dry flour that we're seeing. So fold and press until we get rid of all the dry flour and everything is moistened. This is going to be delicious. All right. Still have a little bit more. Again, you don't want to leave the dry flour in the bottom because then you could bake your bread and it not come out as good as you want it to because you didn't incorporate all the flour. So again, this is much easier to mix because I have everything here and I'm not stopping to go and get this ingredient or that. I have it. That's it. So, of course, we need to have our pan. I have sprayed the pan. I'm ready. And we're just going to move our mixture into our pan. This is going to be great with olive oil. Okay, so maybe if you're having your dinner and you're serving a bread, you know, before you come with your appetizer, this is a great bread. This zucchini bread. Yeah, I think I got most of it. So, I'm gonna just try to spread this out as best as we can because it's very thick and it's supposed to be that way. Just want to at least get it in the corners. This would be a great bread to have with cheese as well. Or if you were to cut it up and you have a cheese platter and you cut this up small and have small bites of this bread with your cheese. Okay, so we're pretty much ready. And what we have to do, we have to, we're gonna put very thin slices on the top of the bread. So, just gonna put that there. And one more. I was gonna put 3, but since I put it in the wrong place, I'm only gonna put 2. Okay, try to get the extra off. And we are ready to bake. We're gonna bake this at 325 degrees and we're gonna bake it for 70 to 75 minutes. So it'll take a while, but it's gonna be delicious when it's finished. Fellow twisters, we are back and our zucchini bread is out of the oven and it is all done. Absolutely beautiful. So, what's left to do? For me to taste. Anyway, I'm excited to taste. Again, you could do this with olive oil. And there you go. This is pretty moist. It's pretty nice. And I'm excited. Okay, enough of that. It's time to taste. I've learned to just taste a little bit so that I don't chew too long. It's hard with the bread because you have to chew it and you have to swallow it. It is delicious. It is moist. I taste the herbs. I taste the cheese. The zucchini's in there somewhere. But thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine today and making zucchini bread with us. Please visit our website, www.Shelly's Cuisine, for the recipe. And please subscribe and hit the notification button. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.